All right, welcome to session 6. Gonna take a t- gonna take a trade right away here. Looking for this level here to break, and looks like my software lagged. We got stopped out on that one. Still like the idea. I really want to split this into like 3 different orders. Take first profit here, second take profit here, and then let the other one go past low of day. But we'll just leave it like that for now. Alright, you got stopped again, so 2 times stopped out. So we're down 8 points, I guess, times 3 for each trade. Still like the idea though. And got stopped out again. We are trading a little bit earlier today. It's 6:50 PST, so there is added volatility. Kind of frustrating here. 4th attempt. Looks like we're gonna get stopped. But overall, look, what the price hasn't done anything really. It's back to our entry here. It's really tricky here, having such a tight stop loss when volatility is this high, because it's gonna stop you out without your idea being invalidated, which is the tough part. There keeps being these sudden buys though. Gotta take note of that. Alright. It keeps just stopping us though and coming back to our entry. So frustrating. Damn it. Didn't get a chance to move it fast enough. Well, that's really unfortunate because that looked to be the best entry we had so far. Damn it. Fuck, man. Fuck. Well, that was the trade of the session. We're gonna end the session there. We'll put up the stats for this session. I think this is our first red session. But I don't think entirely it's because we didn't have an edge. I think it's because of poor execution here. So the whole time I was shorting, right? I didn't take a single long trade. And obviously, what's the trade here? The short side. That's the trade. Very, very clear. Easy to see that. So I don't think my idea was the issue. It's more so the volatility. I have to increase. I can't. There's no way to trade this volatility with 4 points out. There's no way. Like, how are you supposed to predict a move and only have that much room for error, right? And also because the moves you're gonna be catching are gonna be bigger than 4 points. Like, look at this. This is what 31, 15 points lower than what we sold. So going for 10-point moves while having a 10-point stop loss makes sense in these higher volatility early morning action, right? So our idea ultimately ended up working. That's what we were going for, fresh lows, but just it's really hard to pinpoint your entry when you only have a 4-point stop loss. And we took a lot of attempts there. Let's reanalyze the entry. So this one was obviously a bad entry. I was kind of chasing that breakdown. Thought this action here was what this was basically at the end. This one was actually a solid entry, and it went in our favor quite a bit here, but then it ultimately reversed. Maybe we could have been a little bit better of moving stop loss on that one, or just letting it take profit real quick. So we're back to break even on the day, but ultimately I'm not too mad about this one in particular. This one, similar entry to this one, so I'm not too mad about that one. This one also too, just the general volatility is what stopped us out, and that same thing happened 2 more times until we 3 more times. Whoa, okay, we took a lot of loss actually. We might be actually pretty red on this session. Nice bounce here from new lows. But what's it called? Ultimately, we got the entry, and then we just didn't capitalize. So I wasn't able to move my take profit. So yeah, probably really red on this session so far, but it's all right. I'll probably do one more session at least today, later on in the day. But I'll see. But yeah, catch you guys later. Okay, so I'm back. Just wanted to record this one. So this is the last session we just had. I had a session earlier too that I didn't record. I don't remember what the stats were for that. I guess I'll post the stats for that in case you guys want to see that in this video. This is right at market open and wanted to test it out again. I'm pretty sure I was green on that session, but I'll post the stats like I said, so you guys can see how that performed. But I didn't end up recording that. It's my bad. I should have recorded it. But we had a nice change of idea here. So remember what I said? Always take note of when you get fresh lows. Whether you get continuation, whether you start seeing some more green bars up here, and we got new fresh lows, no major continuation, and this burst of buyers. So that right there made me flip bullish, right? But I obviously didn't take any trades. That's my fault. Then we consolidate here a little bit, and then you get this nice second continuation move, which, like I said, this is the inverse H pattern here. Aw, dang it. Didn't want to sell out just yet. But I was checking the stats. We were down like 900 on session, so we're back to break even now. But fuck, I did not want to get out just yet. My bad. Was not paying attention. But so this is basically the inverse H. I'll show you guys on TradingView because it's easier to see. You guys will just see. Okay. So let me try it out for you guys. So you have the H part of it, then you have, alright, it looks fucked up, but it's essentially that, right? Just reversed. And you have the same 50% pullback I talk about. So the H works to both directions. So you got the low, the high, where's the long thing? And 50% would have been, well, that's 1.14, so you can see that that's more than 50% there. So an entry anywhere on this green candle here would have been ideal. Stop loss either down here or all the way down here, depending on how much you're willing to risk and your time frame on the trade. And then we break out and just never look back. I was trying something out with trend lines here. I don't use trend lines to execute, but just trying something out. But we don't need those right now. But yeah, we're reversing basically this entire move, similar to what happened yesterday, but to the opposite side. Do you see how price action repeats itself? Just not always in the same exact way, but you get these little things that repeat themselves. Fast, big moves like this are susceptible to being reversed. And look at that. Fast, big move early on in the day, susceptible to being reversed. Now, it doesn't always mean fast equals weak, but if you start seeing signs of weakness, you can be like, oh shoot, there's a higher chance of this move being reversed than a move that created a lot of support and resistance along the way. Similar here, fast move gets reversed. Fast move here gets reversed. Fast move here gets reversed. Fast move here gets reversed. And doesn't mean it doesn't eventually get continuation. This one in this case was just a pullback for the continuation. But you know, when you look at that fresh lows here, no continuation, that's where you see the reversal. And these are with hindsight. Obviously, not every single fast move, like I said, is gonna reverse. You have to wait for that initial flip before you assume it's gonna get reversed. But I'm just saying they're more susceptible to being reversed. But yeah, so fresh lows here, big nice candle, but instantly starts getting reversed. So that's where you flip bias, and then you get this consolidation turn for a little bit, and then you start getting those buyers step in again aggressively. But I don't have a clear target here. I guess we can target this high here. It's not a bad entry here. Let's take it. Alright, nice little trade there. Alright, now we should be green on the day with the super scalping. Plus, if you included my morning trades that I didn't include. Look, I'll quickly go over them. But it's been a while, so I don't remember exactly what I did here. So I tried this short here, so I was short bias. Man, imagine we would have held that. Sheesh. Shorted here again. Really good entry, actually. But I was trying to take the right side of the V, so the left side of the V, as we start turning, took an entry there, but didn't quite up and it working out. But we got stopped out basically like at the top there. A little unfortunate, if I do say so myself, but it's all good. Hold up. Fuck. We fucked on now. Look at that. Right to our target. Should have moved profit target, but it's all good. It's all good. This was. So then came back to our entry point, so we re-entered just for a scalp there. I think I probably wanted to move my take profit, but I didn't get the chance to. So we re-entered as we got the chance. Took a nice little green trade. Then oh, okay. Wasn't able to see that line, so I was a little confused there. So took a short again. Got stopped out on that one, but looks like it was near the top. So re-entered again shortly after. Added to it as we consolidated. Added to it again. Added to it again, and then took some nice profit on that. So that should have been a green session, I believe. And then this is the one I did record. And then this one is the session right now. Yeah, this was hit our profit, bro. Okay, whatever. Well, I'm gonna end the session there, since the session of the trade of the session basically already happened. But we got this nice move at least, so we should be green on the day if you add up all three sessions. I'll put the stats up for all three sessions together on the screen now, and for each separate session I'll put the stats up if I can. Anyways, thanks for watching. I think I'm done for today in terms of super scalping. Back to regular strategy I go, but let me know if you guys are enjoying these super scalping sessions, if you guys are able to take anything from them, and if you want me to keep on doing them, and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.